Welcome, Lathrop Leopards. Today we are going to explore what it means to be a true leopard using a fun and powerful tool called the 6 Thinking Hats. Each hat helps us think in a different way, about facts, feelings, challenges, opportunities, creativity, and planning. Let's get started. First up is the white hat. This hat helps us focus on what we know, the facts and information. So who shows Lathrop Leopard values every day? Well, students, teachers, and staff all work together to make our school a great place. And what are our 6 leopard values? They are kind, respectful, responsible, leader, smart, and caring. We use these values every single day, in class, during lunch, and all around our school. Why are they so important? Because they help us learn, stay safe, and make sure everyone feels welcome. We can remember to live by these values by practicing them every single day. Next, let's put on the red hat. The red hat is all about how we feel, our emotions and instincts. Who makes you feel happy or included at school? Maybe it's a kind friend, a caring teacher, or even a classmate who gives you a big smile. What does kindness feel like? It feels warm, safe, and joyful, like sunshine in your heart. It is important to talk about our feelings because understanding them helps us connect and solve problems peacefully. We can show others we care by listening, offering help, and always using kind words. Now for the black hat. This hat helps us think about what could go wrong and how to stay safe and responsible. Who might be affected if we don't follow school rules? Our classmates, our teachers, and even ourselves. What could happen if we forget to be responsible? Things can get messy or unsafe, and our learning can be interrupted. It's important to think before we act because our choices affect everyone around us. If we make a mistake, we can fix it by taking responsibility, apologizing, and trying again with respect. Let's switch to the sunny yellow hat. This hat helps us see the bright side, the good stuff, and all the benefits. Who inspires you to be a leader at Lathrop? Maybe it's a teacher or an older student who sets a great example. What happens when we are kind and caring? We make our school a happier, safer, and friendlier place for everyone. Why is it so great to be respectful and responsible? Because it earns trust, builds strong friendships, and helps us all learn better. Being smart and positive helps you solve problems, reach your goals, and inspire others. Time for the green hat. This one is all about imagination, creativity, and trying new things. What are some creative ways we can show kindness? We could make thank you cards for our teachers, share smiles in the hallway, or even start a school-wide kindness challenge. Why is it important to think differently? Because new ideas lead to better solutions and make learning way more fun. We can all be creative leaders by speaking up with our ideas, encouraging our friends, and being brave enough to try something new. Finally, we have the blue hat. This hat helps us stay organized and think about our thinking. It's the planning hat. Who helps us stay on track with our goals? Our teachers, our friends, and of course, ourselves. What steps can we take to practice all 6 of our leopard values every day? We can set goals, check in on our progress, and reflect on what went well. Planning is super important for success because it helps us stay focused, balanced, and ready to improve. So, Lathrop Leopards, now that you know the 6 thinking hats, it's time to use them. Think with your white hat for facts, your red hat for feelings, your black hat for caution, your yellow hat for positivity, your green hat for creativity, and your blue hat for planning. When we use all our hats, we make smart, kind, and caring choices, just like true leopards do. Let's keep showing our 6 leopard values: kind, respectful, responsible, smart, caring, and leaders. Together, we think better, work better, and make Lathrop amazing. Now go out there, wear your hats proudly, and roar with leopard pride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos.